This is the commission engine demo for Controlpad. What started the commission engine project was we had a client that was taking 36 hours to process commissions. We knew we had to pull out all the stops limiting the speed. Without fully knowing the limitations starting out, if needed, we were willing to explore drastic options like inline assembly or even a bank of FPGAs creatively. Fortunately, we haven't had to go down this path yet. So far, we've implemented 6 of the 9 core ideas, which has enabled us to process 1 million users and 1 million receipts in under 4 minutes. We just finished testing the theory of Step 7, and the results were even more amazing. We'll release more details once full implementation of Step 7 is finished. Starting out, we will need to create a system. A master account can have multiple systems. This allows you to do things like manage direct sales, but also manage a reward system separately. The min pay type allows you to prevent payout below a certain limit. Now we need to select the system we are working in. This is a rules-based system designed to accommodate as many different commission structures as possible. This is accomplished by building your rank rules and commission rules. Rank rules defines what it takes to qualify. Commission rules determines what the payout percentage will be inside of each generation. Inside of the commission rules, you can select inventory type: wholesale, retail, cash and carry, and sold on corporate. This was done so you can handle each inventory type separately. Since the type is tied to inventory, it allows reps and affiliates to access the various sales compensation methods you define. Essentially, they are a hybrid and can navigate through both worlds. On retail date, for the event selection, was added to help deter inventory stacking. Now that we have a commission structure defined, we can run simulations on it. The first step is to enable simulations. Yes, the site colors changed for a reason. We didn't want anyone ever to make the mistake they thought they were working in simulations when they were really altering live data. Seed simulations is the next step. This populates the user and receipt data on the simulation server. Obviously, if you are using previous live data, then your structure and sales will be more accurate. For now, we will start with just seed with random data. We are now ready to run a simulation. While testing, probably the most important data to pay attention to is the percentage of payout. Typically, you want in the ballpark between 20% and 42%. If you pay too little, then there isn't enough compensation for your affiliates to feel motivated to sell. Give away too much, and eventually you will go out of business. The audit reports are helpful in isolating problems with your system. A batch needs to be selected first. Rank audit allows you to check to see if rank qualification rules need to be adjusted. Users audit gives better insight into the individual affiliates. Generation audit allows you to see if certain generation payouts aren't being fulfilled. The commission engine is API-based. This way, you only need to drop a couple snippets of code to be up and running overnight. Breakdown values are tracked so you know exactly where all the commissions are coming from. Pools are available for those companies looking to increase motivation on sales. The bonus section was added to accommodate commission designs completely out of the norm. Once a commission run is done, then you can access the supporting data separated out by batches. Fraud management will help identify problems you might have missed beforehand. Viewing receipt summation is good because you can sort possible suspects to the top. Some fraudsters will get greedy and break away from the pack, whether it be amount or count, numbers out of the norm. This will allow you to identify whether to dig deeper with possible problems. You are finally ready to authorize payments. This can be turned on to authorize automatically once you have confidence your whole system is running up and smoothly. You can authorize a single record or authorize in bulk and pull those couple separate records back out. Processing payments is your final step. You can download a CSV file that you can upload to somewhere else, like an e-wallet provider. We are currently in the process of integrating our Payman product, so this process can be completely seamless if you so desire. Thank you for watching.